Hi everybody, this is Rhys Barber from Audiology Associates. Thank you very much for watching our video again today. And we have another earwax extraction video for you. So this gentleman's attended with reduced hearing on one side. You can see a big chunk of wax in there looking very dark, so it's been in there a little while. And what we're going to do first of all is use a standard size ulnar tube just to go in there, do a little bit of gentle probing on that wax just to see how tough this is going to be to take out. And what you can see is that it seems to be quite soft in the center, so it's breaking down really easily and coming away really easily with suction. So as long as it stays coming away like that, we'll just continue with the microsuction rather than use a Jobson horn on this. So you're going back in now, and you saw me take a center piece away first of all. So now we're going to try and collapse the wax into the center of the ear canal, just to try and loosen it from the canal walls. There you go, got another big lump. So we did the center, we've just taken away this lump now on the left hand side. So we look for the next available piece, which is towards the bottom of the ear canal here. So we're just going to lift this off the canal wall. And as we lift, what you'll see, it's a bit difficult to spot, but there's a little bit of skin there just underneath coming away. So because this wax has been sitting on top of that skin, it's just started to slough away, but hasn't been able to get out of the canal. So very luckily, as we're pulling this away, it's pulling the wax from further behind, so dragging it down the ear canal so we can get this out of the outer part of the ear canal. There we go. You can see a little bit of a wiggle there, a little bit of a circular movement just to get it around the corner and out of the ear canal itself. There you go. And another wiggle. There we are. It's on its way. It's coming. There we go. Perfect. So out it's coming. So we're still chipping away at it. Right, now this is a long piece of skin here we can see as we do, sorry, that you can just see as we're pulling it out. Can you see that coming out of the canal wall there? So just a long strip of skin in there, which is just holding that wax in. But when we look in, lovely shiny eardrum, looks absolutely perfect, skin looks really healthy, and that's what we took away. So you can see that long strip of skin there is about 2.5 centimeters long. So, and all the pieces we've taken away around it. If you do like our videos, then please like, share and subscribe, and as always everybody, take care.